Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 10 Economics Chapter 2 Sectors of the Indian Economy, and in this video we will learn every point in the section Interdependence of Sectors. This comprises 10 questions. Question 1. Below, an event in one sector is creating an effect in another, showing the dependence of the latter on the former. You are required to state which sector is dependent on which. Please note, this question is the same in all the 10 questions. Now, we are given here the event, the effect, and shows dependence of. So, the event is farmers refuse to sell sugarcane to a particular sugar mill. The effect is the mill will have to shut down. Now you have to say which sector got affected by the event. So you have 9 possibilities given. Primary sector on secondary sector. Number 2, primary sector on tertiary sector. Number 3, secondary sector on primary sector. Number 4, secondary sector on tertiary sector. Number 5, tertiary sector on primary sector. Number 6, tertiary sector on secondary sector. Number 7, primary and secondary sector on tertiary sector. Number 8, primary sector and tertiary sector on secondary sector. Number 9, lastly, secondary sector and tertiary sector on primary sector. Please note, in the next 9 questions also, this will be the same. So you can pause the video and have a good look at all the 9 possibilities given. And the options are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. Your time to choose. And the answer is C, number 3. So, the event is farmers refuse to sell sugarcane to a particular sugar mill. The farmers are in the primary sector. The mill will have to shut down. The mill is in the secondary sector. So, therefore, this shows the dependence of the secondary sector on the primary sector. So this is a clear example of this. Next, question 2. The question is the same. I shall not repeat it. Then we are given event, effect, and which sector is dependent on which sector because of this event and effect. So the event is companies decide not to buy from the Indian market and to import all the cotton they need from other countries. The effects are the Indian cotton cultivation will become less profitable. The farmers may even go bankrupt if they cannot quickly switch to other crops. Cotton prices will fall. You have the same options 1 to 9, and please tick off the right one. Your time begins now. And the answer is option A, number 1. So, primary sector on secondary sector. So, companies deciding not to buy from the Indian market and to import all the cotton they need from other countries is in the secondary sector. And the effect is Indian cotton cultivation will become less profitable, farmers may even go bankrupt, cotton prices will fall. So this is in the primary sector. So this shows the dependence of the primary sector on the secondary sector. Next question, question 3. The question is the same, and we are given the event, the price of fertilizers or pumps, etc., or tractors or electricity or pesticides go up, and the effect is cost of cultivation of the farmers will rise, farmers' profits will be reduced, and you are required to take the right option. Your time begins now. And the answer is option A, number 1. The effect shows the dependence of the primary sector on secondary sector. So, the price of fertilizers or pumps or tractors or electricity or pesticides, this is all by the manufacturers of these items. They fall in the secondary sector, and the cost of cultivation of the farmers' profits will be reduced. This is in the primary sector. So the effect shows that the primary sector is dependent on the secondary sector. Next question, question 4. Same question, and we are given an event. There is a strike by transporters and lorries refuse to take vegetables, milk, etc. from rural areas. What is the effect? Food will become scarce in urban areas. Farmers will be unable to sell their products. You are required to choose the right possibility, which sector is dependent on which sector. Your time to choose. And the answer is option G, number 7. Primary sector and secondary sector dependent on tertiary sector. So you can see the event, strike by transporters and lorries refusing to take vegetables, milk, etc. from rural areas. This is the work of the tertiary sector, because lorries transport comes in tertiary sector. And the effect, food will become scarce in urban areas, that is affecting the secondary sector, and farmers will be unable to sell their products, that will be in the primary sector. So the answer is option 7, primary sector and secondary sector dependent on tertiary sector. Next question, question 5. Same question again, and the data given is as follows. Now please note, the first 4 were from your textbook. These now I have given you for practice. So the event is advertisements of tobacco products are stopped because of a ban by the government, and the effect is tobacco farmers have reduced tobacco cultivation because of the reduced demand for tobacco. You have all the options at the side, and your time to choose. And the answer is option B, number 2. It shows the dependence of the primary sector on the tertiary sector. And you can see the event, that is advertisement stop, that is the tertiary sector, advertising. And the effect is on the farmers, the primary sector. So this event and effect shows the dependence of the primary sector on the tertiary sector. Next question, 6, the same question, and the data given is the event says Comp Limited has bagged an extremely large manufacturing order from overseas and has doubled its production capacity. The effect is electronic engineers, technicians, and associated staff are being rapidly hired. You have the possibilities at the side and the options below. Your time to choose. And the answer is option F, number 6. That is tertiary sector on the secondary sector. So the event, a manufacturing company which is in the secondary sector, is affecting rapid hire of professionals who are in the tertiary sector. So therefore, it shows the tertiary sector is dependent on the secondary sector. Next question, number 7, same question, and the data is the event, a high yield variety seed of tomatoes is being planted by farmers, leading to bumper crops of tomatoes in the country. The effect is factories processing tomatoes and making tomato chips are springing up all over the country, and manufacturers of tomato chips are advertising in newspapers, television, etc. to increase sales. And you have the possibilities at the side, the options below, again number wise, and your time to choose. And the answer is option I, number 9. So the effects are in the secondary and tertiary sector, and it shows their dependence on the primary sector. So you can see the high yield variety seed being planted by the farmers. This is in the primary sector. And factories processing tomatoes springing up all over the country are in the secondary sector. And the effect of advertising is in the tertiary sector. So this effects an event shows the dependence of the secondary sector and the tertiary sector on the primary sector. Next question, 8. Same question. The data given. The event is all the bank unions have jointly declared an indefinite strike for their long-standing demands. And the effect is many firms have halted or slowed production, being unable to get cash credit for raw materials. Also, construction of buildings has stalled since the builders are unable to realize the checks of home buyers. You have the possibilities at the side and the options number wise below. Your time to choose. And the answer is option D, number 4. So this shows the dependence of the secondary sector on the tertiary sector. So the event, bank unions declaring strike and banks closed, that is in the tertiary sector. And the effect, many firms have halted or slowed production, they are in the secondary sector. And also construction of buildings are stalled, that also is in the secondary sector. So this shows the dependence of the secondary sector on the tertiary sector. Next question, number 9, same question. And the data is Strawberry Drops Limited has increased its production in view of the baby boom in the country. The effect is more and more farmers are growing strawberries. Also, the effect is Strawberry Drops Limited has increased the number of its sales outlets from malls to cornerstones and even medical shops. You have the possibilities at the side and the same possibilities listed number wise below as options. Your time to choose. And the answer is option H, number 8. So you can see the event has happened in the secondary sector, that is Strawberry Drops Limited and its production. The effects are in the farmers growing more and more strawberries, so that's in the primary sector, and Strawberry Drops Limited increasing its trade outlets is in the tertiary sector. So this shows the effects in the primary sector and tertiary sector dependent on secondary sector. Last question, number 10. Same question, and the data is farmers can now ascertain digitally the price of their crops in the big markets and can sell their produce to anybody. The effect is the mobile stores selling cell phones and data as well as mobile towers are springing up all over the countryside to meet the communication needs of the farm business. You have the possibilities in the third column and the possibilities listed as options below. Your time to choose. And the answer is option E, that is number 5. It shows the tertiary sector dependent on the primary sector. So, farmers ascertaining digitally their prices of crops, that is in the primary sector, and mobile stores and mobile towers coming up, that is the tertiary sector, communication. So the effect is in the tertiary sector and the event is in the primary sector. So therefore this shows the dependence of the tertiary sector on the primary sector. Okay, so in this video we learned every point in the section interdependence of sectors. In the next video we will learn every point in the section identifying sectors. I'll see you there.